At Hexca, we listen to your call for innovation and power. Drawing on our century-long legacy of tackling the world's toughest challenges, we infused every bit of our expertise and the relentless spirit of Hexca into our latest creation. Imagine fitting all that strength and ingenuity through the smallest of spaces. It's not just machinery, it's the future of industrial excellence. Get ready for something extraordinary. Hexca Machinery, unleashing the power of progress.
Hexca, rock solid reliability.